Struggling to predict what and how much of your product your customer wants? Let me introduce you FaaS4U, an AI-powered demand forecasting platform delivered as a service with no upfront investment. Seamlessly integrating via Web API, FaaS4U takes advantage of multiple advanced algorithms and agents, ensuring full transparency over every result. But what really sets us apart is our proprietary model, Octopus L. It continuously optimizes and combines forecasting method to generate the most accurate prediction for each product, leveraging a mixture of expert capability. Even for new or substitute products, we harness the power of GenAI and RAG to deliver highly accurate forecasts. Also, external factors such as promotion, events like the World Cup or weather forecasts can be considered to enhance your demand forecast accuracy. In other words, you focus on your business, we forecast it for you.